Dangerous but exciting scenes. Giant sawing machines are working tirelessly. Experience the funny moments with a little bit of stupidity but full of adventure. Everyone sit back and enjoy this exhilarating experience with me. Hello everyone. Welcome to the next video of Forestry Techzz. Let's experience it. Imagine the deafening sound of a saw working tirelessly. Surprisingly, it was a pretty old MS-462 in the hands of a man. The cuts are still very precise, using notches to adjust the fall direction. Feel great for the successful cut. Oh my god, come to extremely dangerous situation. Another MS-462 with a guy in a huge tree with a safety rope. It was too dangerous because the protective measures were too simple. But in the end the branch was cut off easily. Next is the tree stump, which he takes care of enthusiastically with cuts. Still use notch to guide fall. It was quickly and convincingly defeated. A crane is testing the height of a giant tree. It seems like he was trying to push it down with the help of two guys under the tree. It is really dangerous if there are no precise calculations in this situation. Thank God. Lucky to have taken down successfully. A tractor moving in slippery conditions. Can it pull wood? Let's see. Very quiet walk. But great. It did a great job. This is me while cutting down a giant tree. Awesome, right guys, I made it fall so easily. Have you ever seen a horse grazing? Its teeth gripped the roots of the plants very precisely and wanted to dig up the roots. I couldn't believe what I saw. Simple but effective move. This is probably the most powerful tool I have ever seen. Far away at a famous sawmill. Caught the scene of transporting wood like ants carrying food back to their nest. Caught the scene of transporting wood like ants carrying food back to their nest. Oh. It's amazing, the automatic cutting machines work very flexibly and accurately to the centimeter. Small logs will move towards a man. The separator will divide them into 4 equal parts. It looks like cutting a birthday cake. Very interesting. The split wood will be sent to the line for packaging for consumption. Model an ant colony. I think so. Oh my god. Look at that giant machine speeding through a big forest. With modern technology it grips firmly and removes branches and stems as well as cuts very precisely. I couldn't believe my eyes because it worked as easy as if we were going on a date. Very fast and efficient. Watch a polar bear frolicking in the freezing cold snow. I'm kidding. That's a crane collecting cut wood. The wood grips are very fast and powerful. Right? The wheels are covered with tracks like tanks to help them move on all types of terrain. How creative. This is probably the most versatile and efficient lumberjack I have ever seen. A guy is directly operating a giant wood splitting machine. I thought of a teddy bear claw game that my kids love to play. The teddy bear claw machine can slip. But in this case, he controlled the wood splitter with absolute precision. A wood crushing plant is coming into view. A wood crushing plant is coming into view. At this scene I thought of a combine harvester because its work is very similar to this wood crusher. It looks efficient and very strong. I think this is the machine with the strongest teeth. A tree trunk of about 10 tons is what is appearing before our eyes. I think it must be a giant and old tree. One guy and a Skeel MS070 chainsaw is his choice in this case. Guess he can complete his mission with that chainsaw. Very good. Finally succeeded with cutting the trunk lengthwise. To split the wood into equal planks, he still has to use an automatic electric saw. I think that is the best choice for current private sawmills. Each piece of wood is cut equally and looks very pleasing to the eye. Doesn't it? Based on the color and wood grain, I guess this could be an ancient tree about 150 to 200 years old. Because the trunk is light red and the wood grain is very clear and has many rings. The 3 short scenes at the end of the video are humorous, contain danger and show a little bit of silliness. If you find the video interesting and a little funny, please subscribe to the channel and comment below the video to help me.